Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the car and confirming its setup, because launch performance depends on gearing and traction. Once done, open the tuning menu and set the recommended launch RPM or toggle launch control if the car has it. Now load into the race and hold the brake to stage the car at the line. Make sure you see the launch indicator light or tack behavior that matches your chosen RPM before proceeding to the next step. You now execute the launch by quickly tapping the throttle while holding brake until the tack hits your set target RPM. This primes the engine without excessive wheel spin. Once the needle sits on target, press the launch button or release the brake exactly at that moment to send power efficiently. After launch, shift using the shift lights or rev cues. Short, precise shifts keep momentum. Make sure to modulate throttle if you sense wheel spin so traction stays optimal during the early meters. You complete the run by holding steady throttle through the midsection and deploying nitrous after a clean first shift for maximum top speed. Once past the finish, evaluate your reaction and shift timing to refine the next launch. If something goes wrong, like bogging, excessive wheel spin, or a misshift, stop, reset the launch RPM or traction settings, and retry with slightly lower throttle or altered clutch timing. Practicing a few controlled.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.